Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy messy updo. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and pop the hair into a side parting. We're just going to start by sectioning off the front of the hair, so take your comb and run this from the top of the head to the left hand side of the nape of the neck and clip this out of the way for later. And then we're just going to repeat this on the right hand side, so take it from the top of the head to the right hand corner at the nape of the neck. With the remaining hair, all we're going to do is split it in half and wrap the sections around each other to create a loose twist, and then secure this off with a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray to that twist. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then all we're going to do is gently pinch and pull at that twist to make it a bit more voluminous. Taking that twist, all we're going to do is wrap it around itself to create a simple bun, and then just pin this to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Release one of those side sections and split it in half, and again we're just going to create a loose twist by wrapping the sections around each other, and then secure this off with another clear elastic band. Apply some more texture spray to that twist, and again pinch and pull to make it nice and messy. Then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. So split it in half, twist the sections around each other and secure it with a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray and pinch and pull that twist. Now, taking that twist on the right hand side, all we're going to do is drape it across the bun and pin it to the head along the top with a few bobby pins. Now, taking the tail ends of that twist, we're just going to wrap them around our fingers and pin them right next to that bun. And then all we're going to do is repeat on the opposite side, so take that twist, lay it over the previous twist and pin it to the head along the top. Take those tail ends, wrap them round your finger and pin it right next to that little bun. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.